Ladies and gentlemen, come gather round, come gather round, come gather around. Today, we're replacing core plugs, or frost plugs. Really, they're core plugs. These are usually replaced when you rebuild a motor, and we are in the midst of rebuilding a 400 cubic inch Pontiac V8. The core plugs are pounded in with a drift. I usually use whatever big honking drift I have, and then a big honking pair of pliers that can pull them out of the passageways. The cores provide a way of holding what will become the hollow water passages. If you could make a hollow jello mold, you got to hold that hollow in place while you pour the jello in place. It's kind of how engines are made. Then I use Aviation Form-A-Gasket. In the bad old days, this may have been called Indian head shellac. It smells wonderful. It smells like leather and warm and bourbon kind of thing, all in one. You put that around the new core plug and you put it on the inside there. Make sure it's gooped up nice and good. And then I use a fairly large socket and drive that beastie home till it's nice and flush with a hammer. And I am, in fact, teaching my son how to do this, and currently I'm teaching you how to do this. So goop it up nice with the Form-A-Gasket. This is the only stuff I use Form-A-Gasket for, because that stuff, you don't want to use that for gaskets because you will never get them off again. They're brutal. Don't be that guy to the next guy who's taken something apart that you put together. Unless it's frost plugs, in which case Aviation Form-A-Gasket for the win. So goop it around the outside, round the outside, round the outside, both pieces, beat it down with a hammer. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Take care, and we'll see you again. Like, share, subscribe.